Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for how to kill a kit with style. Oh, I started out strong last year in 2023 and then it died off. And this year I am making a point to actually be killing these kits that I keep getting. So, Sarah Scraps over at How to Kill a Kit with Style is changing it up. So here are the plans for this year. We are going to have a kit that is 4 kit themes and then 4 kit reveals with 1 hop in November. So the kit themes will be for January through March will be based on a mood board. I am going to link up here the mood board that I am getting. So the mood board that I found off of Pinterest is like a winter themed mood board. It's got some reds, it's got some greens, it's got some pinks, it's got the colors that match this winter collection from the hip kit that I got 2-3 years ago that I have never dipped into. It is brand new and it's been sitting down there. Typically, if you're not new to hip kit typically in December gives you like this winter kit to work with. And so the color tones fits me. It's like outdoorsy. It's out in the middle of nowhere. That's what this mood board looks like for me. So I will be using this kit with that mood board from January through March. And I am going to be getting these layouts done. Now, this collection of photographs are what we call Fasching. Fasching is a German term that is something that celebrates, it's like a carnival in late winter to kind of traditionally get rid of winter. Like we do winter and we're hoping that if we do the parades and kind of like elaborate winter, that spring will come. So that's pretty much like in American language, I guess, the best way I can explain Fasching. Now, I am German, so if you guys didn't know, I am German, and a lot of times we do follow these traditions, so I will go into Helen, Georgia, and we'll do that this year. They kind of landed on a different weekend, so I wouldn't be able to do it, but I want to get scrapped all of these in there, and this is the Fasching parades that I have left to do, and I want to knock these out because I have done other Faschings before, and I've gotten quite a bit of them done, and now I want to work on this particular one, and this is one of the 2 parades that I have done. Now, I have been working on them. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get the album that I've worked on. All right, so this is the one parade that I have not put together in the album, but this is the album that I'm working on, and I want to get this done. So the first few photos that I'm working on is the Kinder Fasching that we went to in 2017, and it's all of my friends and things like that. So I gotta finish this up. The Kinder Fasching is done. Now this is the second parade that I went to, and then this set that I have not touched yet is the 3rd parade that we did while we were stationed over there. So I've got photos, and I'm gonna start with this here first. So I've already planned out. If you have never followed me before on how I do this, the way I do my photographs in trips like this is I sit down on my carpet and I go through what ones do I want to scrapbook for photos and which ones I still want to put in the album. They're not worth, to my mind, a 12 by 12 layout. So I've gotten this one already set up, and this is what I was talking about. Like, these are ones that I don't want to scrapbook into a layout, but I want them in here because it's part of it's part of the trip, the experience. And so I've got different layouts that I want to go through. Here are some more photos of what Fasching is, and here they took me. These people, like when I say they will do just about anything, they do just about anything. Like they literally took my daughter, like they literally took me away, and my daughter was like crying that mom was not going to come back. Of course, mom came back. But that's kind of like what this is. So I am going to start with these here ones first, because I've already gotten these done. And then hopefully by the end of this whole entire process, that this and these will be in this album. And this will be my Foshing album of when we're doing it. So that is a little bit of what I'm going to roll with here. And this is the kit that I'm going to be using. So, like I said, the color tones don't really matter, but they're going to work. I really don't care that the color tones don't quite match. I want that winter feel. So this is page number 1. Here is page number 2. Page 3. Page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10, page 11, and then page 12. So that is the papers that I will be using, and I'll get quite a bit of this collection. I may actually have to get more papers just because I've got a lot to do. There is a sequence mix that did come with this. I have the embellishment sets, which is this set here, and then that set. And then I've got, oops. Okay. Then I've got quite a bit of, like I typically get them here. Here's the color tones of what they do for their alphas. Now, I've gotten quite a bit of different ones. So, these really match up together. They're the cardstock stickers, front and side, and it's just one here. Obviously, there's going to be different things. Like, I wouldn't use December because this is all done in January and February. Actually, I think both of these were done in January, but it's here nor there. Like, that one I wouldn't use, but I could use it and then cover up the word or something. You know, December was made for snuggling. I could cut it out and say January is made for snuggling. Who knows? And then here are the chipboard. Here are the 2 chipboard stickers. And this has got quite a bit. Stickers there. And then here is the wood, like the wood grain type stickers that match that last page. So that is my goal. That is what I'm looking at. I am going to try to, I'm one of them that probably all you're going to see me add for cardstock is I'm going to probably do black cardstock with this for all of my layouts, along with the photos. So like I said, I'm going to start with the one I've already worked on, and then I can come back in with like a wrap, kind of like mid-wrap after I get done with this one set, kind of show you where I'm at, and then my goals and my split for this. Now, this collection is from a different, each town has a different feel. So, like, this one's got a lot more blacks and stuff on there, and they're more reds. So, it'll be easy to, like, match these up in that regards. Like, we can match these up pretty quickly, pretty easily. And it doesn't, there's like pinks and stuff in there. It just all depends on who, like here, this has got pinks and yellows and it matches things like this. So it's one of those things where the collections work no matter how we look at it. And so like here we got like this time around. Now I will tell you, I got stuck on that one. Then my friend Rebecca got it here. Like every time one of these sets would come by, they would get her good. And they took her off, you know, and like the pictures, there she goes off. Like I'm telling you, like they just get you. And then I ended up getting where the children, yeah, was it the children? Somewhere around here. So yeah, like the children, they'll come up and like block your photos and like try not to take, just because that's just, they're just a big old pain when we do this. But that's the fun part about it. Like they get you guys good. It was like one, so yeah, it's a lot of fun. I love doing this. I do it, and Helen, Georgia has them as well. And we do go to them too up there. It's just a lot of fun. So just, that's a history. That's everything that I will be doing from now until March. Now, my goal is that if I do this correctly, I should have layouts on Wednesdays in January, and then in February, I've got them in Thursday. I haven't wrote out my March schedule yet, quite yet. But if I do this right, Wednesdays will have it, and then Thursdays. So I should be able to, like I said, knock this out. If I can knock out using this kit in other layouts, I'm going to, because I want to try to get these trips done from Europe. That is my goal and whatnot. So there we have it. I hope that you guys will follow me along with this process. If you are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do upload normally 2 to 3 times a week. I'm collaborations, design teams, all of the fun stuff. So make sure that you like and subscribe. I would definitely look for what I am doing, and anything that deals with how to kill a kit with style will be linked down below. All of that fun stuff. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.